Hi everyone, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and I hope a blessed season this month. We have something exciting coming up that I would like to share with you, and that is our Christmas market. That is December 2nd from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. We have all kinds of artists here at the office. Come do your Christmas shopping, from glass to jewelry to art to many things. So we're excited to bring that to you. It's a wonderful place to get custom made pieces for any of those people you love. And again, that is December 2nd, Saturday from 10 to 4 at our office. It'll be a really big event, and we'll have some treats here for you as well. In addition to that, we just want to say we are, again, so thankful and blessed to have all of you as clients. So I'm wishing everybody an amazing holiday season, and hope you spend it with family. Get to have good food and so forth, but let's start that holiday season out with us at our Christmas market. Look forward to seeing you. Missy Stegers, broker owner of M. Stegers Realty Partners.